Hey guys, I am Sandupa Sudil. What's up? Today in this video, I am going to talk about what happens inside a star and where does this energy come from. So first of all, what are stars? Stars are giant collections of hydrogen atoms which collapsed under its own gravity. A massive ball of hot glowing matter or burning gas in outer space. So have you ever wondered where does the star get energy or where is the energy produced? In their core, nuclear fusion of hydrogen atoms into helium releases a tremendous amount of energy. 657 million tons of hydrogen and hydrogen atoms are fused into 653 million tons of helium. This energy in the form of radiation pushes against gravity, so there is a delicate balance between the two forces. When the star runs out of hydrogen, the energy production or the fusion stops. The balance is lost and the star dies in the form of a supernova or an explosion. So that's it for this video. Please subscribe if you haven't yet to see more videos like this. See you guys in the next video. Bye.